Today is the 10-year anniversary of South Bay Clearview, the glass scratch repair company that Emily and I started together in 2015. Needless to say, things didn't go the way that we thought that they would. So we've decided to
So
start
start
another
another
business.
business.
But instead of going at it alone, we want to take you along with us. When we first started our glass scratch repair company, the training available was limited. Other scratch repair companies were, and some still are, hesitant to share their knowledge in the field for one reason or another. And yet, we still thought the hardest part in business would be fixing the glass.
Yeah. It turns out the real challenge was marketing it. Most people still don't even know that scratched glass can be repaired, so they aren't searching for it. We struggled those first few years, and we know that there's some of you out there that are doing the same thing, barely scraping by, for those same reasons.
Yeah, trying to explain to anyone what you do, let alone a marketing agency, and try to explain that, and they'll usually think that you do windshield chip repair, right? It wasn't until actually just this last year that my own mom finally understood what we do for work.
It's true. There's never a category specifically for glass scratch repair. So you end up competing online with every kind of window and glass business except the one you're actually in.
Exactly. We've lived firsthand that glass scratch repair is one of the most misunderstood and overlooked services out there. We still walk onto job sites and the first thing out of the client's mouth is, so does it actually work?
That's not just frustrating, it's really holding back the entire glass industry.
That's why we decided to do something about it.
So today, we're launching GlassScratchRepair.com. It's a marketing company built by glass experts for glass experts.
You see, we've spent years testing what works and what doesn't in this niche, whether it be the tools and materials or whatever. And we've ranked our own website, built real visibility, and connected with glass professionals across the country and even the world.
And now, we're using everything that we've learned to help others do the same. Not just scratch repair pros, but anyone in the glass industry who's ready to grow. Window washers, post-construction cleanup, even chip repair specialists. GlassScratchRepair.com will connect glass industry professionals with the customers that are searching for their specialty.
Our mission is to be ranked #1 organically on Google nationwide. So instead of paying a company that is advertising in a category that does not include what you do, and you having to field calls for, eyeglass repair or iPhone repair, you'd be marketed instead to your specific industry. Because we understand that marketing for glass isn't just one size fits all.
Yeah, and this is about more than just getting clicks or leads. It's also about raising awareness for an industry that deserves to shine. It's about clearing up all the misinformation that's out there about glass scratch repair, about offering tips and tricks for better and quicker repairs. It's about sharing the tools and materials that we've found work best. And very soon, it will be about offering realistic, hands-on training to help anyone not just learn the basics, but to build a thriving business.
So if you're tired of being invisible online,
or explaining for the 100 millionth time that you don't fix chips and windshields, unless you do, of course, then you're in the right place.
Go check out GlassScratchRepair.com.
Or click the link in our bio and join for just $20 a month. And if you join before November 15th, 2025, that price is locked in for life.
We're here to change the way the world sees glass.
One scratch at a time.